Another important thing, I think this is really challenging for a lot of project managers and delivery managers, because they are working with so many people with different skill set, and everyone is doing a certain kind of thing. Like a developer is, they can have a very good technical aptitude, and there are SQAs, but there are also business stakeholders as well. How challenging is it to manage it all, to have the good communication, to have the collaboration? How challenging is it?
So that depends on the overall team you have. Sometimes it gets very challenging because you never know, what kind of team you're going to get for a certain project. Sometimes you get a project where there are certain, developers involved that are from different tech stack, and then there are some architects involved because the project is complex, and then you have to do the automation as well, and then there are certain QAs involved. And since, we are working in this era where most of the work is remote, so, some of the teams are basically based in different countries. So you also face that challenge as well, that the time zone is basically different. So in that case, most of the time we face the challenges related to the miscommunication, the misunderstanding, because all of the team is not there at one place. So I think in that particular case, communication is very, very crucial, because you need to make sure that all of your team members is on one page, because eventually they are, working towards one goal. And if they don't have the same understanding, then, that creates a lot of problems. So how we really resolve is, we ensure that we have a proper channel established between the team members where they are coordinating with each other on daily basis to make sure that, every team member is aware what other team members are doing. You should have a very transparent and, good communication with your clients as well, so that they should have confidence in you. This is the team with which I'm actually working, and, they know the overall business case. And then also comes the rest of the management and the stakeholders within your company as well. You also need to, keep them on board that, this is what's going on. This is our team. They're working on these things. And then we're also gaining the confidence of client as well. And we can bring more business and more projects as well. So it's really important that the communication should be strong. And I think technical project manager or delivery manager is the person who can fill this gap basically, because they're the ones who are coordinating with all of the stakeholders. They know the pulse of, each team, how to deal a certain team based on their strong points or their, negative points. And we have to deal it that way. But yeah, if the communication is strong and good between different teams, then I think that's the key, and you can ace the project.